So let's see how do we create a custom table view cell. We might need custom table view cell when we have specific requirements, like we might need to show two or three images, a label behind the image, besides the image, or whenever we have any specific requirements for that case. So I'm going ahead and creating a single view app and naming it as table cell tuto and creating it. So first things first, I go to my view controller and extend data source and delegate protocols because these are mandatory for any table view implementation. So as soon as I do this, I get a warning message or error message that tells there are mandatory functions that are missing. So I click on this and give fix. So those methods are inserted here. So it is like basically the number of rows that we need. So I'll just return one for example, and then the cell for row index path. We'll hold on with this and I'll go to the storyboard. So here I'll add a table view and also fix it so that it fits exactly into the screen of the device. Okay, done. And then I also set the data source and the delegate to the view controller. Also, I need to add a custom table view cell. So I'm dragging in a table view cell and I am resizing it and I shall design it as I need. Say I need a image view or say in the left corner, and then I give constraints. I say it should be something like this with width as okay 240. So this is like this. And then I also add a label which should be here, and then I set it has to be centered vertically, and I also set the height to be 21. And we still have some issues, so let's go check. And it needs x position, which means by how much distance this has to be aligned with respect to UI image view. So I again go and give the horizontal spacing. Okay, so we are all done, and this gives a warning telling the frames are not set properly. So I click on that and the warning disappears. So now I have already downloaded some sample image. I'll just go ahead and add it in the assets. Okay, and I click on my UI image view and I set the image and I set the label as um, home. Okay, that should be enough. So I need to update the constraints and update the frames. Done. Okay, so we still have not written the cell. So I go to view controller and I say let cell equal to table view dot dq reusable cell. We typically do this dq reusable cell because the cells which are already displayed, and if they go out of display, like if they are no more used, so those cells will be reused, and that's why we go for dq reusable cell. So here I give some identifier which uniquely identifies what kind of cell we are displaying. Say I name it as custom cell. Do remember this. So I'll take this custom cell identifier and the same should be reflected here too. So I click on cell and here where I see use identifier, I specify the same thing. Okay, and we forgot to return the cell that we created. Okay, so I'm going ahead and running this a very small project in iPhone 8 Plus. So what I typically expect is a table view cell with UI image view and label loaded. Oh yeah, here we get it. So this is how we create custom table view cell. We can add any number of elements and do anything that we need with custom table view cells and then populate table view accordingly. In the next tutorial, we'll be seeing how we can dynamically change the images and the label text unlike what we did in the storyboard. So in this tutorial, we went to the storyboard and hard coded the label text to be as home and the image to be as image 1. But then in the next tutorial, we'll be seeing it how do we do it from the code so that we can dynamically load based on the row it is displayed in. Thank you.